Hello everyone, this is Dr. Trehan here from the study boards. So this video will break down everything you need to know about Dentpin. So let's get started. So obtaining the Dentpin is going to be a critical step in your dental career in North America. You can understand it in a way that this is a unique identifier which is required for all the dental examinations and your applications. And without it, you cannot even begin the process of becoming licensed dentist here in North America. Now let's understand how exactly you are going to get your Dentpin, and I will show it to you in a video in the background. Step 1 is going to be going to the official ADA website, that is ada.org. Then once you are there, step number 2 is that you have to navigate to Dentpin registration section. So click on Education and Careers and select Dentpin. Step 3 is creating an account. So create your account by using all your personal details and make sure that you use an email that you check often here. And that's it. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of getting your Dentpin and makes the process a little bit more easier. Now in the next video, we will be talking about the next step, that is ECE evaluation. Now if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tips on becoming a licensed dentist in North America. Good luck and I'll see you in the next one.